So I was scrounging around in the back, Dane, and I found some oldie but goodie electronics here. I thought maybe we'd clean them up, see why they're not working, or if they're not worth anything or whatnot.
Let's try to get them to work.
All right, cool.
All right, here we go.
This is a Memphis Echo, and it's a real deal tape echo, but it uses a 8-track. So I'm going to spruce them all up, get them looking nice. And for the case of the Echo, it's not working. And what happens is this belt is just old, and got to find a belt, but we'll use this rubber band and see if this way we can test the functionality, and we can work on getting a belt some other time. But in a pinch, you can always use a rubber band. You just need to be careful if you don't want it to be too tight and mess with the tension and stuff. So what we'll do is we'll spray out the knobs. We'll clean up the heads. It's fairly simple. You just got a foot switch to work it, and to the amp instrument. You can use it for microphone, for vocal stuff. So you got a volume, echo, repeat, and the delay. And then on this one, we just got the effect, the rate, and the intensity of the reverb. We've got 2 inputs, a foot switch, and an amplifier. And these are, we'll just use like a single button foot switch to see how it works. And this is what this one looks like. That's a tiny little spring reverb. It's probably doing something with this to create the echo as well. You can see, looks like 1970s. We'll spray out the controls and everything like that. Alright, so I sprayed these out. They're looking good. I added, this was missing, so I added a screw and a nut so that and tightened it all down and stuff, so this little transformer or choke or whatever is okay. So on this one, and it just uses a normal 8-track. So it's a real tape. It doesn't have the multiple reads and records. This would be the record, and that's the read, I believe. And so it'll record your sound, and then it plays it back on this one. A lot of the older tape ones, you'll see they'll have one record, and they'll have like several reads. So this way, when you want a longer delay in the echo, it won't use this one. It'll use the one that's like way out here. We'll work it all loose. Now what we'll do, we'll try doing this with one hand. Put the rubber band on. So earlier, when you turn it on, this is the motor. As you can see, there's the motor. So this was spinning, but the belt was so loose that it wasn't turning this, and this is weighted. So we'll turn the power on. Nice. And then as you increase the delay, it slows. So you can get some slap back Simple, not as fancy as like a Roland Echo or Maestro Echo or anything. Okay, so when we slow the delay, we're actually making the delay longer, and we increase the echo effect or make it a deeper echo. It's a little bit, the effect's more pronounced, and we can change the repeats. So you can get like almost like a slapback out of it. Increase the...
So it's called the Memphis. Was these things sold out of Sears, like with Silvertone?
It's possible. The thing is, I've seen a couple of these. This is made in Japan, and this is probably around the same time that the Shin-A stuff. Like I've played around with the Shin-A fuzz wah, and it's probably made by the same company.
And what year would you guess?
70s.
Okay. Definitely
Definitely 70s. Maybe early 70s. So in the video earlier, you saw where when I increased the delay, the little motor spins faster and it spins slower to increase the delay. Now the old style tape delays would have like 3 or 4 read heads and only one write. This has one write, one read. So by slowing the tape down, it extends how long it takes for the recorded part to hit the play part.
And the delayed signal sounds out of tune.
It sounds out of tune. It could be because of because we're using a rubber band. But again, part of that was probably some of the charm of the Echo. Yeah, it's just the limit of the technology at the time. It's not bad.
Is there any way to find the actual belt that came off of it?
You might be able to find one on eBay, but you would have to look. It would take some searching.
I've also heard of a product that you can spray on the existing belt and that'll give it more grip.
Yeah, unfortunately in this case the belt it's actually just a little stretched.
All right, Neil. Thank you, man.
Cool.
Thanks for watching, guys.